How to build a soak away pop-up. You want to take some drainage fabric and you want to over dig the area of your pop-up emitter. You want to go ahead and cut a hole in that drainage fabric and pull the pipe through. You create a pocket. You want to line the end of the trench here with the drainage fabric. Now watch how quick this pop-up connects. We're really proud of this. This is a quick connect pop-up. It connects to the 4-inch corrugated pipe so effortlessly. That was just beautiful, and that's in real time. I'll speed this up now so we don't bore you to tears. You want to put some pea stone between the pop-up emitter and the drainage fabric. That way, after a rain event, whatever water is left here in the pop-up, it can slowly soak away. This is how you build a pop-up emitter soak away. You can go ahead and you can set the height. If you need to add a riser, you can. Go ahead and pocket all that stone. That way the dirt won't get in the stone and plug it. This soak away pop-up emitter will last forever. This is what you do when you have a pop-up emitter that's always holding water. Now you chop up the clay and you pack it on top of the fabric. You can go ahead and start backfilling your line, work that clay in, build it up around the fitting, and take it up to grade. You want to do this so that the pop-up top doesn't wobble. Beautiful job. Now look at this pop-up. See how it's got a directional fitting and the water goes up? You can see how it's directed upwards. And it's bottomless so that after the rain, the water can all just leach into the subsoil. That's why there's stone underneath it. This is a pop-up soak away. It's a technique we've been using and teaching and showing everybody. Now look how far we ran this away from the house. Beautiful install. And this is a pop-up that you can reach your hand down in. You can pull tree seeds out of that elbow. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.